Okay, I'm going to cook Spammeroni. That's Spam in Rice-A-Roni. But I've got the Spaminator 3000 here, and I'm going to give it a try. Oh yeah.
I hear Chinese.
It's Japanese, thank you.
Oh.
Oh yeah, oh, look at that. That did a very nice job. Very nice, symmetrical, perfect pieces. Okay. So now, what I'm going to try to do, I don't know if this will do it, I'm going to try and cut these into strips, like so. If that works, that will be so cool. And what you hear crinkling is the styrofoam plate. It's working, man. It is working. Well, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's going to fry up nice. Okay, you can cut it.
I was thinking maybe a BC special would do that.
No, I would never get spam juice on one of my knives.
Okay. Spaminator.
Oh, look at those beautiful little pieces of Spam. We are in the outdoor kitchen. Let me get these browned up, and then I'm going to take them out and put them in this. And then I got to get the Rice-A-Roni browned up. And then I'm going to mix them all together, and we will have us some Spammeroni. All right, we got some brownage going there. Now we put 2 cups of water in there. And then this here. And then we stir it all up. Then we simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, I believe it said. I'm gonna put this on low. There we go. All right, we'll be back in about 15 minutes. I'll stir it a couple of times between now and then. Smells good. So I'm gonna dig a little bit of this up. Try not to make a big mess. Probably could use a spoon. All right, I'm gonna let that cool a minute. Then I'm gonna give it a taste. Spammeroni. I really like this light. It is just incredibly bright. I'm gonna leave a link to that light. It's 12 inches long. I'm gonna leave a link to this stove and the Spaminator 3000. That's just what I call it because it's funny. But yeah, I'll leave a link at the end of this video for all 3 of them. All right, this is more than enough to feed 4 people easily. So that was $2.50 for a can of Spam and $1 for a box of Rice-A-Roni. So that's $3.50 divided by 4 per meal. And no, I cannot do that in my head. If it was $4, I could do it. It's less. I can tell you this: it's less than $1 a meal. All right, let me give this a try. Actually, I didn't get any Spam in that. There we go. I love rice-a-roni, and I love Spam. Good stuff. All right, there's my very first meal. Oh, this is breakfast, by the way. My very first meal in my outdoor kitchen. There'll be more, and I'm going to concentrate on cheap, single pot, quick, easy, inexpensive meals that can feed a lot of people if possible.